sweeping robot. First we make the grease, and then make the machine, then make the batteries and the sweeper.
Hello friends, today I'm making a sweeping robot. First, I need to making the base, after the base, and then we just build the machine, and then we just put the batteries in here, and then we just put the sweeper. And then it will be a sweeping robot. Bye. Today I'm gonna talk about my solar system project. Okay, this is the Mercury, this one Venus. The third planet is Earth that we live in. The Earth is 93 miles from the Sun. The fourth planet is Mars, is 142 miles from the Sun. And the fifth, we have Jupiter. And the sixth, we have Saturn.
After Saturn, there is Uranus, and the last planet, Neptune. Thank you.
So today we make kimchi. How to make kimchi is first you wash all the ingredients and then you cut it all, and then you put the cabbage in the salt water and then for 1 hour, and then you rinse it and then mix all the ingredients and let it for 1 day. Thank you. So first, we just mix the raisin with the activator, and then we just put the butterfly inside and the raisin.
Yeah.
And you need to turn off the lights to